Hello, good evening everybody. This is Monica Joshi from Satpal Middle School, Ludhiana. Today we will be going to learn how to keep notes in the Google Keep. So firstly, let me tell you what is Google Keep all about. Google Keep is to keep your small notes, like you have sticky notes in your computer, in your mobile, or you write notes on your diary, the notes which can remind you small tasks. So Google Keep is for all about that. Okay, so today we have a few of the following lists which we have to do. First is, just imagine that you have some topic to be taught to the kids, and we have to do some research and we have to copy some YouTube links, website link, and some more information about that, and so that the note on one can be created and we have to color code it. So okay, I am actually orienting teachers, so I'll be keeping a note about my talks, which I can keep some links, important links, which I can use for my talks to the teachers. So I have already created one. I'll just be telling you how to create that. So firstly, we'll be taking a note, and as my note will be about what talk I am going to give about, and so I'll be creating a note by the name, say, talk, and I'll be taking first this 21st century learning tools. That is, I'll be taking these tools, and this is my first link, and then next will be my talks link, which I'll be putting here. Okay, say this one, I'll just be copying this and putting it here, and I'll be giving it a name, Tech Talk. Okay, 1, Tech Talk 3. Okay, so this is the way I have created one of the link. All right, and now I have to color code it. So simply I'll just be clicking here and say select any color for that, and when I'll be clicking on any of this link, the URL related to this page will be opened up. Okay, and in case I don't want this note, I can click and select here and then delete this note. So this is my note. My note is created here. Okay, next is, you have to find some nice motivational poster on the net and would like to save the text of that image in a note and create a label named notes and move this note to the label, that label. All right, so for that, I believe that we should never give up. So I'll be creating a note also based on that. So I'll be adding an image, and okay, this image has come up. Okay, it's taking a little time to get set up. Okay, so it has come. I'll be clicking here, grab image to text. So we'll see the image text is grabbed here, and I have to move it to the label. So either you can click here and add a new label over here, and what was the name of the label? It was quote, I guess. Yes, quotes. So I'll add a label, quotes, create quotes, and then I have moved this note to that label. We'll see this quote has been, this note has been moved to that label. All right, so we'll be going back. What's the next question? It's create a checklist of a lesson plan for your students and check mark the topics that you have already covered. So as I have told you, 2 of the notes, how to create it. I have created already this note, and I have created it with the help of the list. So these are the list I have created, that is created quiz, prepare tech talk, deliver the tech talk, and then after that taking the feedbacks and the reflection. So what all things are done, my prepared the tech talk is done, and then my delivered tech talk is done. Now I am starting a quiz from tomorrow, and then I'll be taking the feedback and the reflection. So these 3 topics are left, so I'll be leaving it like this. So the question was about creating a checklist and marking what things are done, and then I have to add a reminder, that note which will help me to remind on a particular day to attend a workshop. Okay, so for that I have created one of the note. So you can create like this. I have created a note by the name Tech Talk Saturday 10th February. So okay, we'll open this only. So this is Tech Talk Saturday February 10, and I have added an image also. I have already told you how we can add an image to a note, and I have added a reminder. Click here, add a reminder, set the date. I have set the date 9th February. It's gonna remind me that on 10th February I am having a workshop. And after that I have clicked that does not repeat. If you want that it should repeat it, and you can set the timings as per that, and you can write few notes also, like what all you things have to do, you can write here, and then you can change the color of this note as well. Okay, next is create a note with a drawing in which you would like to explain some process, cycle, or anything from your subject. Okay, I have already created one note, but I'll just show you. I have created that the talk is about e-portfolios, which will cover Google Sites and WordPress, and I have given the title topics to be covered in the tech talk. So I'll just tell you how we can do that. We have to take a note, click here, add drawings, and just select the pen size and pen color. Okay, I have just taken this, so I can write here like this, topics, and I can change the color to make it like this. Like anyways, you can create a flow chart, whichever color. You can take this pen, you can take this pen, this is kind of a marker type you can take, and then it's all like how you write with the free hand. So topics, say OneDrive, and then say Teams, like that. And then when you go back, so this note is created. Here you can write the title, topics, and here you can write note, things to be done. Alright. Okay, so this is done. And last is copy all the notes to Google Docs. Okay, so we can keep all these notes in Google Docs by just clicking here, copy to Google Docs. Click here, copy to Google Docs. This was one of the note. Click here, copy to Google Docs, and then this was one of the note. That is, click here and copy to Google Docs. So you can see all these notes are copied to Google Doc. You can save it and can elaborate more writings on that, and then you can open and see whether those notes have come to Google Doc or not. I'll just open it quickly and show you that these have come. Alright, so it's opening up. Okay, this is about my first, that is, I have kept the links of my talk, number 1 and number 2, and then this is about motivational quotes. Then next is I have kept a reminder about the workshop, and then okay, one note has opened twice, so we can open this as well. Okay, so this has also come. So let's see. I have covered making a checklist, adding a note and reminder, changing color code, adding image, grabbing image from the text and creating a label and moving the notes into the label, and adding notes with the drawing option. So I hope all the things are covered and you have learned how to keep notes in Google Keep. So till then, the next certification, this is Monica Joshi. Goodbye and thank you.